Okay, so the question is, find the value of p if the lines whose equations are 2x minus y plus y equal to 0 and px plus 3y equal to 4 are perpendicular to each other. So if two lines, let us say L1 and L2, are perpendicular to each other, then we know one relation for their slopes. If, let us say, the slope of line L1 is m1 and slope of line L2 is m2, then if these two lines are perpendicular, then m1 into m2 becomes equal to minus 1. This is the condition of perpendicular lines, right? So in this particular question, what is given to us? We know two different equations of lines. We don't know the slopes exactly right now, but we know the equations of lines, right? Let us call this line L1 and this line L2, right? So if I can get the slopes of these two lines, I can write this relation and then maybe I will get the value of p which is required, right? So to do that, I will have to find the slope. So easiest way of finding a slope of a line is to represent that line in the form y is equal to mx plus c. This is slope intercept form of the line, right? And if you do this, the coefficient of x, whatever is the coefficient of x, becomes your slope, right? So in our question, what we can do is, let us look at line L1. It is given to us that it is 2x minus y plus phi equal to 0. So if I convert it into form y is equal to 2x plus y. So now it is represented in this form, y is equal to mx plus c form. So my m1, slope of first line, should be equal to 2, right? Similarly, second line is what? Second line is px plus 3y equal to 4. I have to convert this into y is equal to something, okay? In doing so, we would get minus p by 3 into x plus 4 by 3. So now the coefficient of x is what? Minus p by 3. So this is the value of m2. m2 is equal to minus p by 3, right? But since it is already given to us that the two lines are perpendicular, this means that this particular condition will be satisfied. m1 into m2 should be equal to minus 1. So let us try to do that. So m1 is 2 and m2 is minus p by 3. So this product should come out to be how much? Minus 1. So let us solve this. Minus get cancelled out and you get value of p as 3 by 2. This is your required answer.